Jai Shardema children. Today we are going to start new chapter, that is chapter 5, lines and angles. In 6th standard you had studied about line segment, ray, angle and all. In 6th standard you had studied about different type of angles like acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle. Now, till now what we had studied, what single angle, for example, acute angle. Acute angle, definition of acute angle is the angle whose measure is less than 90 degree is acute angle. Now, here what we are going to study, that is angles, pair of angles, yani two angles. Let us begin with complementary angles. So the first is complementary angles. Complementary angle means the two angle, if the sum of two angle is equal to 90 degree, then it is called complementary angle. If the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree. It means that if one of the angle is suppose 50 degree and another angle is, let us say, 40 degree, then 50 plus 40 degree is equal to 90 degree. These two angles are said to be complementary angles because when the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree, they are known as complementary angle to each other. They are known as complementary angle to each other. Let us see one more example. If I am writing A, O, B, and suppose here is C, this is 45 degree and this is also 45 degree, then I can say that angle AOC and angle BOC are complementary angle, as the sum of angle AOC and angle BOC is equal to 90 degree. So when the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree, they are called complementary angles. Now let us see another pair of angle, that is supplementary angles. Supplementary angle means if the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree, then that two angle is known as supplementary angle. If the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree, then that is called supplementary angle. For example, suppose this is one angle, this is one angle. If this is 120 degree and this is 60 degree, and if we add it, it will become 120 degree plus 60 degree, which is equal to 180 degree. So this angle with measure is 120 degree and this angle with measure is 60 degree. They both are supplementary angle as its sum is 180 degree. In the same way, if we see some other example, degree, here it is 110 degree. If I am writing here Q P O R, Here angle POQ is 110 degree. Angle ROQ is 70 degree. If we add it, it will become 180 degree. So we can say that angle POQ and angle ROQ are supplementary to each other. So the supplementary angle means if the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree, that angles are known as supplementary angles. The third one is adjacent angle. Adjacent angle. Adjacent angle means the two angles which has common, suppose this is angle D, E, F, G. Now if we see it is two angles, angle D, E, F and angle G, E, F. Now both the angle has one common arm and one common vertex. One common arm, that is EF, and one common vertex, that is E. Here, if two angles are sharing one common arm and one common vertex, they both are known as adjacent angle. I am repeating the statement. If two angles are sharing common arm, two angles have one common arm and one common vertex, it is known as adjacent angle. So the definition of adjacent angle is common arm and common vertex. One common arm and one common vertex. If two angles which have one common arm and one common vertex, then it is known as adjacent angle. They are known as adjacent angle. Here suppose A, O, D and C. Now if we see angle AOC and angle BOC, here angle AOC and angle BOC, it has common arm OC. Both these angle AOC and BOC has common arm OC and common vertex also O. That's why it can be said as adjacent angle. So the definition, once again I am repeating it. If two angles having one common arm and one common vertex, they are known as adjacent angle. Now let us see the next one, that is linear pair. Linear pair. Definition for the linear pair is when two adjacent angles are supplementary, they are known as linear pair. When two adjacent angles are supplementary, they are known as linear pair. Now just look at this figure. POR and angle QOR are both POR and angle QOR are adjacent angles, and if it is 120 and it is 60, now it is supplementary also. It means that if two angles have same common arm and common vertex, and if their sum of two angles is 180 degree, they are known as linear pair. I am repeating it. if two and adjacent angle, here angle POR is adjacent to angle QOR, and same way they are supplementary angle also. So when two adjacent angles are supplementary, they are known as linear pair. If two adjacent angles are supplementary, they are known as linear pair. So the definition for linear pair is adjacent angles if two adjacent angles are supplementary. If two adjacent angles are supplementary, then they are known as linear pair. Suppose these two angles are there. If it is 80 degree and this is 100 degree, this angle is angle A, O, B, and this angle is suppose angle P, Q and R. Now these two angles are supplementary, but can we call it linear pair? No, it can't be a linear pair. It is just supplementary and it is not. They are not adjacent angle. So the definition is always adjacent plus supplementary. The two angles should be adjacent also and it should be supplementary also. Then and then only it will be linear pair. The last pair of angle is vertically opposite angle. The last pair of angle is vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Now, when two lines intersect each other, it will form two pair of vertically opposite angles. Two pair of vertically opposite angles. For example, if this is your M, O, N, this is your P, this is your Q. Now here line MN is intersecting line QP at O. So it will form four angles MOQ, QON, NOP and POM. It will form four angles. And same way it will form two pair of vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angle is here angle MOQ is equal to and angle PON. Angle PON. These both are vertically opposite angle. Angle MOQ and angle PON. These both are vertically opposite angle. In the simple word, if we say vertically opposite angle, it means आमने सामने. Second one is angle QON is vertically opposite to angle PON. Means this angle is vertically opposite angle of angle P, angle NOQ is and angle POM. Angle QMOQ and angle POM. This angle and this angle are vertically opposite angle. The same way this angle and this angle are also vertically opposite angle. In vertically opposite angles, we should always remember that vertically opposite angles are always same. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. So now let us revise what we had studied in the angle, or we can say pair of angles. We had studied first we had begin with complementary angle. Complementary angle means if the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree, then that two angle is known as complementary angle. Supplementary angle means if the sum of two angle is equal to 180 degree, then that two angle is known as supplementary angles. Adjacent angle means two angles which have one common arm and one common vertex. It is known as adjacent angles. Two angles which have one common arm and one common vertex, they are known as adjacent angles. Then linear pair means adjacent angles which are supplementary, means two angles which have one common arm and one common vertex, and the sum of their angle is, and if the sum of their angle is 180 degree, they are known as linear pair. Vertically opposite angles means when two lines intersect each other, it will form two pair of vertically opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles are always equal to each other.